All right, good evening or good night. Welcome to the end of the review for today. And today is April 23rd, 2024, and it's a Tuesday. We have some data come out today. It's a kind of low or high impact, and a low or medium impact news about PMI composite flash. So basically, the actual it's lower than expected by 49, low 51, so lower than expected. That may be the reason why we see that the users for today. Yep, right here. So they look like today. No, let's look like Monday. Today is right here. Tuesday. So Tuesday, yeah, story here, rise about 8:30. Right there, that's the 8:30, and here's the 9. So 8:30 is positive. So positive news. The market react positively. But anyway, we're looking for the GDP data gonna release on Thursday. So tomorrow we watch carefully, especially the last hour, last trading hour, to see how you see if we make a big move. We're gonna catch that move. So that's our game plan. After we have a huge wins on Monday, Tuesday we kind of take a day off. We don't do any trading for today. We have other things to do, but also we just literally record the record on and recording for us. We do one paper trading around 11, so that's it. We don't take any real trade for today. And we are in week 17, so it's the third week. Is that right? It's the third week. 17, yeah. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, the third week of this month, and it's no, actually, 1, 2, 3. No, it's the 4 weeks of this month. We mix both with the 4 weeks. We only have 3 weeks ahead of it. Behind, Okay, so we have 4 weeks of this month and 4 weeks of the second quarter of the year. And for this week, we don't have any option expiration. And here's the GDP data we're gonna looking for on April 25th, which is Thursday. And then after that week, we'll have the following week, we have a fast meeting. And then we come back to the circle, non-farm payroll on May. And then we go back to CPI data, so on and so forth. Alright, for this week, we're looking for what the profile for this week. This week, it got unusual. Like last week, start from Monday, sell off. And this week, start from Monday, start rally. So it may fit into this. So far, we see the Monday and Tuesday fit into this profile. So either tomorrow we see it's open, the Wednesday gonna drop, and then we're gonna fit to this profile, or either way, or if this profile. So Monday, reversal gonna happen on Wednesday midweek, or maybe happen on Thursday after the GDP data release, or it's gonna be all rally. But the opposite of last week was all sell off. If we look at the daily time frame, you see now is the overnight in Asia, it's already huge. It's open above this candle already. You see that? So it's the huge jump right there. So here's the last week, Monday, Tuesday, consolidates and then expansion, a second line down, and we have Thursday is also kind of your consolidation right there, and then expansion, displacement right here. You see the pattern right there. You have a consolidation. Consolidation happen, it will never reverse. Consolidation always leads to expansion, and that's the theory right there. So consolidation is expansion, and then after expansion we have reversal. We have a retracement or reversal. In this case we have reversal. We have Monday is just expansion, which is reversal, and then Tuesday it make another expansion up. So let's see, the momentum is huge right now. We love to see some kind of consolidate on Wednesday, and then it will expansion on Thursday, right? And then it's gonna reversal right away on Friday. If we see that the Wednesday is another expansion, then likely we want to see reversal on Thursday. So that would be, there's no, maybe, and then it come down, it's, go into consolidation to close the week on Friday. So that's what we anticipate. Based on the way the price deliver, like based on the ICT model right here, I think he said very well in here, and the idea of how the price is delivered. So basically we have 4 process for the price to deliver. Everything starts with consolidation, and then in consolidation you're going to see a expansion. All right, before the expansion happen, in consolidation it make a fall breakout a little bit, like turtle soup, right? You will see a liquidity sweep right there, turtle soup, right? Turtle soup, liquidity sweep. Then it goes to expansion, and after it goes to expansion, it either go to retracement or it go to reversal. That's the idea right there. Or it may go, it reversal, a retracement, reversal. So expansion go to retracement in order to make another expansion move, or go to reversal right away. It go back to where it come from, right? Reversal go back, and then it can be start again with consolidation. So that's the whole idea right there. Idea of how the price deliver the algo right there. All right, for today we're gonna see we see a Judah swing yesterday, but today we don't see it. Yesterday we see the Judah swing. It refilled the gap right there, the gap up, and then it start reversal at around 11. It formed the formation of the setup out of block fair gap retest right there. So this model very common. That's the reason why he put in the very first page right there. The first model, it's the Judah swing, and normally it ends around 10 or 11. If the Judah swing is not reversal, then you're gonna looking for another leg down. There's no reversal. By 10 or by 11, if we don't see reversal, then we know that the trend gonna continue That's the whole idea. Today we don't have any gap, and yeah, we don't see any huge swing at 1:30 p.m. either. Alright, let's dive into the chart for today. So here's it's the very critical, in order to see how it operates, we look back on Monday, right, the day before. So the day before, we see that Tuesday open is open above the close on Monday. See that? And it retests. It retests right here, very beautifully, you see. So if we start from here on Monday, you can see that Euro swing start at 9:30. We'll go 9:30. Yeah, go 9:30. A little bit earlier than that, you can start at 45 right. It's Euro swing right here. And you see the reversal happen right around 11 right there. Euro swing, reversal, which is, expansion right there. Follow the model. Expansion move right there. Look at that. So expansion right there. So we see the reversal start like around Friday. But when we go to the New York session, it fall into a retracement. It looked like it sell off, but actually, if we look into the left, we see it's a retracement, expansion, and then it's retracement. Retracement. You see this retracement. So the whole right here is fall into this retracement. The retracement right here, it make one more little bit manipulating right here to take out the sell side, and then it start moving up. So all of it is just retracement, and then it make expansion huge right here on Monday. And you look right here, it's just a retracement right here, and then when it start open on Tuesday, it open above the close, and then it go right here, it do a sell side liquidity sweep right there. Is the whole range right here, it just take the sell side, and that give us the signal that the retracement is finished, a completion, and now it can expansion to another expansion. Because we know that the consolidation will never lead to retracement, because it's only retracement right here, complete retracement. So right here, the Asia right here is consolidation, and then it start expansion right there. So with that knowledge in mind, we can go in and go long. Today is the model that go long at 9:30, because it's open above the close, and we see that at 9:30 it form, it break out this level, this level, right? It break out, and then it's falling back, and then it break out again with a fair value gap. We see right there. So we have bearish breaker, fair value gap, and the 9:30 it just retest. So we look at the candle at start at night. You see that it's bullish right there, and the next candle is open above that, and this candle also open above that, and just retest the low right there. But if we watch in the real time, it looked like a little bit scary. Good morning. You see at first, it's huge down candle right.
Error, right?
Yeah, look at that, right there. Huge down candle right there. Scary, but after that, wow, it will explode, shoot up right there. So the idea that we need to understand real well the mechanics behind this thing, the mechanism, how the price will deliver right here. Very critical for us to understand it. We have to understand is like the back of our hand. Then that will help us to see how we determine the bias. With this knowledge, we have like a 50%, more than 50%. Yeah, you can say 50% of the equation right there. But the other of the equation is the time. Look at the time. We know when they're gonna make the reversal, or when they make the expansion. Like on Monday, exactly around 11. You see that? It pull into the gap right here. We have a beautiful set of auto block right here. You see that auto block? And the fair gap right here, or the void gap for that matter. And the euro swing is fill into that. As soon as it finishes that euro swing, it reversal, which is the expansion right there. The expansion move, and then it fall into a retracement, and when it complete the retracement, then it make another expansion move right there. So it's very critical for us to understand for process right there. So from consolidation to expansion to retracement or reverse. So it's only for process. And with the intraday, intraday time sensitive, so basically by 10 or 11, if we don't see any reversal, then that day will not have a reversal. We will sell out day. Let's look right here on Thursday, for that matter. Right, on Thursday. Reversal. Oh, okay, right here. We see the same thing, the same movie happen again. You see that? Around 11, it's reversal. Right, 9:30, it's euro swing at 9:30, euro swing, and then reversal at 11. Exactly. So if not happen on reversal, then it's just retracement and continue to go up. Like today at 11, exactly right here, 11. See that? It tried to make in this case is let's say in this case, it tried to reverse over and it fell. It turned to a just retracement and continue to go up. So pay attention around this time, 11. Whether that reversal happen or not, that help us to trade for the rest of the day. If a huge leg up and at 11 it fell to reversal, then only scenario is going to be what? Expansion. And you remember expansion only have, after expansion only have two scenarios, retracement or reversal. And if the reversal fell, then we only have a what? Only retracement. Then we can surely go in and buy at the low on retracement in order to catch the second leg up. But in this case, the leg up is a kind of very slow topic right there. But you got an idea. But let's see if we catch the move at the low right here. We put a buy stop in here, for that matter, of this low of this candle right here. This is a breakout candle to this level, right? And as soon as it's breakout, you see that it's a retracement. So let's say we put a buy stop in here, and let's see how much we're gonna get when it closes 45. Not much. And it closes a low 45. But let's say we we set at a high right there. Let's say we get 15 point, which is our normally target right there. Yeah, it reached our target. 15 point, we reached 5 points, you get 15 point right there. Yeah, it can reach 15 point right there, but we have to be very patient and seek out through the retracement right there. But as soon as we understand this, so we know for sure, confidently, that it will make it. Yeah, look at it again. So after expansion, the two scenarios are going to happen. You're going to retracement or reversal. It's not going to do consolidation. Is that right? Yeah, expansion, consolidation, expansion. No, it's going to go to retracement. And in the retracement, you look like it's consolidation right there. But then consolidation never leads to retracement or reversal. It's expansion. So and by the time we eliminate the reversal not going to happen, then we know it's going to be a retracement. Then we know that it's going to move, another expansion move. So we can confident, go by the low right here without worry about catching a falling knife or the reversal. Because the reversal did not happen. You see, try hard right here. I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's an hour right here. But it felt too close below this guy. And it just raised the buy side of this bullish breaker right here. It felt to invalidate this one. By the way, we did took a trade, short trade right here. We put a sell stop right here. As soon as we see this candle, and at 11, it was sell stop right here, and it did carry us to the trade. But as soon as it go to this candle, and that candle is really explosive. It reversed very fast. But we just do a test trade. We take Tuesday trade with a paper account, so we don't do any real trade today. And let's see, it's still, it's already cleaning up. So, but we did took the trade. Yeah, just paper trade right there. Yeah, if we look at the recording, you will see that we did take that trade right there. So as soon as we see this candle, we anticipate, well, if it really break out the level, it will not revisit this. But that's the reason why I put a buy sell stop right here. It did counter to the trade. See, it counter to the trade. Right, it go there, one more. So carefully right here, if we want to have to move mouse stop loss right away to break even, to protect ourselves, because trade on the retracement is very tricky, because it can turn again very quick, because it's just a retracement, right? But if the retracement can turn into reversal. But we know that at 11, there's no follow-up on this. If there's no follow-up on this, we really want to see the reaction very quick, like this candle have to close below this one, but it did not. So it can be a retracement. See, yeah, it very fast kick out right away. But anyway, this is just a paper account trade we do. We just try out. So we're good right there. And after that it goes very slow. But if we go lower here, we still hit our target, which is 15 point right there. Yeah, but we have to get the profit as soon as we get 15 point. Otherwise we give it back. because after a huge leg up here from 8, actually 8.15 right there. So one thing we have to look to see, how do we construct the second leg up right here. One of the things we point out that as soon as it sweeps the sell side liquidity, then we know the retracement is completion. Then it goes to make a second leg up or another expansion move right there. And look at the 930 and look at the 9 right here, because we know that the candle start at 9, right? So you have 2 candles right here, and it break out this key level and it stay above Friday high. After the Monday broke the level and it retrace and now break the level again with a Fibonacci right here, and it leaves the breaker, bullet breaker Fibonacci, and it's just a retest right there. I think we did take a screenshot. Let's see. Yeah, here's the idea. We're gonna go back to the idea. So yeah, it's the buy side sell side liquidity sweep right there. So the retracement complete, it complete. Then it's gonna go to the extend, it's going to an expansion move right there. So it's now let up, and the 930 is the one we can go long. Yeah, we can go long right at the 930 when it retested level right there. Yes, basically it goes from expansion, retracement, and then expansion. So that's the whole idea. Read that. Let's add it. This. Yeah, we limit node right here. Expansion, retracement, then expansion. That's the whole idea. So we have the expansion, right here on Monday. So it's and then we have this is a retracement, which is on Monday also, and it's aftermarket, and then it's set up for another expansion right here. So that's the idea of expansion. Or move it out of it. So that's the idea that we have. And I'll make this a little bit pretty so we know what is that expansion, and this is the retracement, and it's a second. Yep, so that's the idea right now. Save it. And the 930 is really retested level right there. That's visible before go, which it fit into the retracement and expansion right there. Let's see if we put anything. Oh, okay, I think we put just the same, but let's add it one more. No. Oh, and we can go along, right? So oh 0930 candle retest. So basically at 0930 we have a bullish breaker retest and entry time 0930 right there. Oh, is that right? Yeah, retest, bullish breaker here, retest, follow up and then retest right there. Perfect. Yeah, so we have everything really aligned up for us right there, and it fit into the model of expansion, retracement, and expansion again, and it fit into this model. So do we see that? Let's look at the one hour time. Let me see. Yeah, here's the leg up right here, Tuesday. Yeah, 9. So if we see that, okay, at 9, so we see that at 9 right here, you have 3 candles that open continuous, especially after 9:30. You see that 3 candle up close and 6 buy side. Then the next candle we can go long. You know, for the close of that. Yeah, give us an idea that whether we go along based on the move right there. But a huge move at yeah, okay, at 9 right here. And this is give us the idea of breakout. So it's breakout this level. So how you do that breakout is close above and you get retracement and then break that with a huge displacement right there. I see. And before that we see a little bit retracement back. It looked like it fell and then come back to break it. That's this candle right here, 7. Look like it fell a 7 right there. But you see the huge candle right here, a 6, 7, and then boom at 9, at 8 right there. So we want to wrap it up. It's a little bit late and we're gonna go look at the daily candle, daily chart again. Look at that, only 2 days. It recovered the last 4 days already. And look at start Wednesday. So look like it's gonna retest it level. Let's see. Because that's where we have a huge displacement right there at this level. What's the low? 50, 51. Is that 50? 51.50. Yeah, the low is 51.50. Yeah. Yes, it's 150. It may hit that level. Is that right? Yeah, this level around there. So 51.50. Okay, yeah, it may hit that level. It's very interesting. Like we said, we really want to see if any reversal on Wednesday or Thursday or even Friday. Yeah, let's see. All right, I think we gotta go now, and thank you for your time and interest. We're always grateful for this opportunity, and we do what we love, then just coming to our way. Thank you, and good night, and good luck.